Why waste time in commute and spend a lot of money for NEET UG coaching? Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in NEET? India's leading online NEET coaching, 100% success. NEET UG. TeenEinstein.com. At TeenEinstein, we focus on NEET coaching from Class 6 to Class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany and zoology with lots of years of teaching experience for Class 6 to Class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry and biology for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quizzes and thousands of videos. Limited offer, 40,000 per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com. Contact 99402 49720.
Hello students, welcome to the PYQ discussions on NEET UG papers. Here I am going to discuss a problem from NEET UG paper 2020. This particular paper was set in the re-exam during COVID period. Let us read the question and try to solve it. The question says what is the depth at which the value of acceleration due to gravity becomes 1 over n times the value of that at the surface of the earth. That means we have to find out the value of the depth where g prime is g over n. Okay, so to solve this problem we can directly write the formula, but if you sometime forget the formula, let me tell you how you can arrive to the formula itself. So suppose this is the earth having radius of the earth r, and this is the depth, and let us say at this particular position there is a mass small m. Okay, this is the depth d from the surface of the earth. So this distance will be r minus d, right? So here, according to the law of gravitation, we can write the force due to gravity gm prime m by r minus d whole square. Gmm by r square. Here m is not the whole mass that is attracting this particular object. So the mass inside this, okay, mass of the earth inside this particular sphere will be attracting towards its center. Okay, so that's why this mass is m prime. And how do I calculate m prime? M prime can be calculated as rho into the volume of this particular sphere. Okay, what is rho? Rho is the original mass per unit volume, that is 4 by 3 pi the original volume, that is r cube, and v here is 4 by 3 pi r minus d whole cube. Okay, right? So this 4 by 3 pi cancels each other. So what I get as m prime? M divided by r minus d whole cube. Okay, this is the m prime I have got. And on the right hand side, if the acceleration due to gravity is g prime here, then the attraction in terms of weight I can write as m g prime. Okay, that I can write. So from this equation, look what I can write here. G prime is equal to g m prime divided by r minus d whole square. Now if we put the value of this m prime, then I get this is r cube here, and this is r minus d whole cube over here. Okay, so g by r minus d whole square into r cube here, and this is m r minus d whole cube over here, so this will cancel one from both. Okay, so look what I get. I get gm by r cube into r minus d, right? Further, this gm for the earth surface I can write g into r square, right? So I can write small g into r square on the earth surface. Okay, now this r square will cancel r square from the denominator, so ultimately I'll get this relationship. Okay, so what is the relationship I have got? Let me erase this portion and try to write the relationship between g and g prime. We have got g prime is equal to g whole into 1 minus d by r. So this I could have written directly and solve the problem. So after knowing this, what you have to do, you have to just put the value of g prime, that is g by n. So if we put that in this particular relation, g prime is equal to g whole into 1 minus d by r. In this I'll write g by n, and this is g already. Okay, this is the value we are putting here. So from here I'll get, so d by r is equal to 1 minus 1 over n, so this will be n minus 1 divided by n, and from here we'll get the depth, d is equal to r whole into n minus 1 divided by n. So this will be the depth. Let me see the options. Yes, look, this option B, this will be the correct answer for this question. Thank you.
A lot of money for iitjee coaching. Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in iitjee? India's leading online NEET coaching 100% success iitjee. At TeenEinstein, we focus on iitjee coaching from class 6 to class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany, and zoology, with lots of years of teaching experience for class 6 to class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry, and biology, for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quiz, and thousands of videos. Limited offer 40,000 rupees per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com